The Jeep Grand Cherokee constitutes a lineup of mid-size SUVs crafted by the American manufacturer Jeep. In contrast to the prevailing practice of constructing most SUVs with body-on-frame design during its debut, the Grand Cherokee embraced a unibody chassis right from its inception. The fifth generation of the Grand Cherokee was unveiled initially as the 3-row LWB variant, known as the Grand Cherokee L, in January 2021. The 2-row version was disclosed in September 2021. As for production, the Grand Cherokee L is manufactured at the newly established Mack Avenue Assembly Complex, situated on the premises of the Mack Avenue Engine Complex in Detroit, Michigan. Meanwhile, the 2-row Grand Cherokee will continue to be produced at the nearby Jefferson North Assembly Plant. The vehicle will offer 3 distinct 4-wheel drive systems: Quadra-Trac I, Quadra-Trac II featuring a low-range option, and Quadra-Trac II equipped with an electronic limited slip. Additionally, a rear-wheel drive variant will be available. With proper configuration, the Grand Cherokee will have the capacity to tow up to 300 kilograms and ford through water up to 2 feet deep. All engines will be paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission sourced from ZF and controlled through a rotary shift knob. The Select Terrain system, initially introduced in the Jeep Grand Cherokee, will also be accessible in the Grand Cherokee WL model, now operated through a toggle switch on the center console. It's important to note that the Quadra Lift air suspension system is exclusively offered in conjunction with the Quadra Drive 2 system. The engine options have been carried forward from the preceding generation of the Grand Cherokee. This includes 2 naturally aspirated engines, and a new addition is the turbocharged gasoline, electric plug-in hybrid powertrain. The foundational engine across all Grand Cherokee models is the 3.6 liters Pentastar V6 gasoline engine, generating an output of 290 horsepower. For those seeking more power, there's an alternative engine offered on all Grand Cherokee trims except the Lerdo, Altitude, and Limited. This option involves the 5.7 liters Hemi V8 gasoline engine equipped with the multi-displacement system cylinder deactivation mechanism, resulting in a power output of 360 horsepower. Moreover, there is an available 4Z plug-in hybrid variant, accessible on the Limited, Trailhawk, Overland, Summit, and Summit Reserve trim levels. This version employs an electrically assisted 2.0 liters turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that collectively delivers 375 horsepower. Supported by a 17 kWh battery pack, it offers an estimated electric-only range of around 25 miles.